The overall goal of this experiment is to evaluate the effectiveness of biofilm removal using carbon dioxide aerosols without a nitrogen purge.
Carbon dioxide aerosols can be used to remove biofilms utilizing momentum transfer and solvent action of the aerosols. This is an effective and reliable method to remove biofilms in a short period of time, and is also a biofilm gas phase cleaning technique.
To begin the experiment, use mechanically cut 1 mm thick 304 stainless steel chips, 10 by 10 square millimeters in size. Next, ultrasonically clean the chips in acetone, methanol, and deionized or DI water sequentially. Rinse the chips with flowing DI water for 4 seconds. Then, dry the chips using nitrogen gas flow for 4 seconds. Retrieve a Pseudomonas putida KT2440 stock stored at -80 degrees Celsius. Thaw the culture at room temperature for 1 minute when the top layer of the frozen stock solution turns to slush. Submerge a loop into the melted layer of the stock solution and streak the bacteria onto a luria broth or LB plate containing 1.5% agar. Incubate the plate overnight at 30 degrees Celsius.